Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create helper functions in Express using a thing called app.locals. Now you'll see here that we have copyright year, this duplicate code here, got it here and down here as well. So instead of having duplicate code, what we can do is add a helper function, okay? So the way we do that is we use a thing called app.locals, right? And what this is it's basically an object, a JavaScript object that you can access within your templates. Okay, it's always available for the lifetime of the program. It's always going to be available to you. So you'll see what I mean in a second, right? So if I remove these two, okay, and yeah, okay, right, so we'll go with that. So all we have to do to set up a helper function for that's available within the templates is this app.locals, and we'll call it copyright year, okay, equals, that's going to be a function, an arrow function. And inside here we will do return new date dot get full, oh, I'm not wrong, dot get full year. Okay, right. Okay, so we will save that and we will go to index.js, and it's not in there, it's actually in the footer. It's in the footer, right? So you see here we have copyright year, and that as it is a variable. So all we need to add to the end of that is a couple of parentheses. We'll save that. Now we'll open up the site in Firefox and refresh, and as you can see, it's still the same, right? So this is really handy. We could do other things as well, such as give it a title. Okay, so say we want the same title right across the board. We'll do app.locals title. Okay, and we'll say my website. Okay, now we can add that into our header, right? Okay, up here we've got some website, but we'll change it to my website, and we'll do that by something that's went wrong here. Delete that. We'll do left angle bracket percentage sign equals title, and percentage sign right angle bracket. Okay, so if we bring back up Firefox, you see up here, you maybe can't see up here. There we go. You'll see up here it says some website, so we'll refresh that, and that is now my website, and that's right across the board. It's updated right across the board. So if we go to about, there we go, you still see it still says my website. So there you have it. That's how you set up helper functions in Express using EJS as well. Okay, bye for now.